So have you ever just went to the gym and worked out and just never wanted to go back? That's how I feel right now. So summer's coming and I'm trying to, be ready for that summer body. 'Cause I got these like pipsqueak arms and I'm trying to get them up, strong and big. Yeah, so I tried to start doing arms and I'm still sore like 3 days later. It's been already 3 days. And I'm like, what the am I going to do about this? So, but have no fear. I know what I can do. I decided to have a nice little spa day to relax all my muscles and get them back to tip top shape so I can hit the gym again strong and get these rock hard muscles. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, like right now, even just holding up this phone, I'm like, come on, come on. So I need to fix this. So I'm gonna have a nice relaxing bath to, remove some get some of the lactic acid moving around and get my muscles back. Get them back because I need them to live my life. So I'm gonna go do my little bath routine to, heal some of these muscles and I'm gonna take you with me. So come on, let's go. Oh yeah, and I know this works because when I first started going to the gym, all I would do is like my lower body, like my legs and stuff, pumping up them, thick tree trunks and stuff, doing cardio. And oh, I was sore for days then too. But it's something you grow out of. Eventually when you start working out more, you get used to like your muscles like start growing and getting used to the load that you're putting on them, so it'll heal like a lot faster, but it's just not there yet. But I know this way works. That's why I wanted to share it with you guys in case you're going through a similar thing. If you're sore, if you've been working out a lot, this will be the fix for you. So you're just gonna go ahead and get your favorite candle. This is one I really love for bath time because it's calming and cleansing to really calm your energy and like cleanse the energetic fields too. It's made with sage, so it's good at getting rid of negative energy. So you're gonna get that, light it up, let it sit there for at least 10 to 20 minutes so it could really set the mood of the bathroom and make it nice and yummy smelling for you for your bubble bath. And then you're gonna go ahead and get your bath started. And then we're gonna add some of the best part of the bath, the bubbles. I love this one. It's a relaxing, concentrated bubble bath. So it's a little small, but literally all you just need is one cap of it and you will have a tub full of bubbles. Like, it's amazing. You could always use more if you wanted, but all you really need is like a cap full. So I really love this one too because it smells so yummy, like cucumber melon. And like it leaves the water like this beautiful like Fiji color water, like light blue. It's just so divine. Like, it's amazing. I could have a bath with just this by itself, but we're gonna turn it up with the bath bomb. This is the Sleepy Bath Bomb. I love this one too. It's cucumber melon as well. I cannot get enough of it. It's lavender too, like lavender essential oil in there. So it's really calming as well. This thing will set you straight to sleep, like, I swear. Like, I really love it, and usually I make some fun little bath art. Today I used a lot of bubbles, so you didn't see it as much, but hey, I love my bubbles, so I'm not gonna complain. And it goes ahead and gives you this beautiful, like, purple color for your bath. And now it's time to jump in. So I'm just gonna show you my feet getting in, because otherwise, if it was anything more, I would have to put this video on another website. But yeah, so after the bath, you're gonna go ahead and get like some kind of aromatherapy. This is my aromatherapy roll-on. This one is so good. It's calming and relaxing with a lot of like lavender and clary sage, and it even has ylang ylang, so it's a little bit like floral. It will literally just make you want to like zen out and kind of just like, you smell it, trust me, when you smell it, you're gonna be like, oh my god, this is so calming and relaxing. Like, it really puts you in the mood after a nice bath. This will like literally make your bed be calling your name. and it just puts you in a good mood as well. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this CBD massage oil that I have. This one is Sleeping Beauty, and it's lavender rose, and I believe clary sage. And this one, it's even warming, so it's really good for if you have sore muscles. You just like take a couple drops, go ahead, add it on, and then you're gonna like massage it in, and it starts getting warming, and you smell all these beautiful smells, and you're just like in heaven. And it's literally gonna help you heal so much faster when you do like a massage. So I always try to, if I have sore muscles, go ahead and get this massage oil and just start rubbing them until you find a little bit of like release of tension, because a lot of times the lactic acid will build up when you're like growing more muscles, and it makes them kind of stiff. So that's why it's important to like massage them and like break up some of that lactic acid so they can go ahead and start healing a lot faster. And this is like the best way. I have found that it really works, and I love it so much. But yeah, perfect. So yeah, after a lot of my bath time trials and tribulations, I finally put together like a nice little box of my favorite bath things that I even made specifically to help with calming and relaxation. So I want to share those with you guys so you could see them and really like kind of get an idea of the kind of things you should be getting for your like bath time, shenanigans. And here it is. I put it together all by myself, handmade. Everything's amazing. Every single thing you may want or need in a bath is right here with me. It comes with a sage and lavender intention candle, the freaking amazing cucumber melon lavender bubble bath, cucumber melon lavender bath bomb, lavender sage and ylang ylang roll on aromatherapy. That's something I left upon like after the bath to like keep the mood like chill and good. And then also lavender rose and clary sage massage oil. This is all the goodies right here. If you haven't got one yet, you're missing out. And I would get one soon before they sell out, because literally I only have 10 left. So everything you might need to have your best bath dream is right here for you. Welcome to Cloud 9. I'm your captain. And I'm sure you'll enjoy the ride. So check it out. The link's in my bio. The link's in the description box. So yeah, you could try and get all these different kind of items yourself if you want, like to try to go find them at freaking Sephora or something, or if you want to go find them somewhere like some other little place. But I got it all together in one box just so it'll be easier for you, and just like because this is what I love to use every time I go on the bath. So if you want, everything's already ready and assembled, so go check them out in my bio, well, in the link in the description. But yeah, that's it for now. I love taking baths and stuff, so I just want to share that with y'all. So let me know how your bath goes, and I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe, and have a good day.